welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys some really cute iPhone Pro Max covers that I just got. So I know, of course, making videos about covers and stuff like that, it's kind of like outdated, but I actually needed to share these with you guys because these are so cute. And as we're getting into the spring, I just wanted to show you guys and give you guys some idea also for like covers and colors that you might want to gravitate towards as we enter the spring season. So the first one that I'm going to start with is my favorite, and it actually looks just like this. The brand that I got these from is called IceSword, and actually all of these cases are in silicone. It comes with this cute card in here actually, and it says, dear sweet angel, we would like to express our genuine gratitude for purchasing our original product. We're a small startup in the big world of retailers and appreciate your business immensely. We strive to deliver best-in-class products and do our best to exceed your expectations. Oh. If you're happy with our product, please share your thoughts with us. Each encouragement gives our little startup a significant boost in this highly competitive market. You're always the first for us. Thank you so much. Minimalist design. I do actually really want to talk about the quality of it though. Can we look into the quality of this cover? It has this really cute material inside. And also I do want to mention also, it's actually a small business that owns it. And I generally am not a huge fan of like iPhone covers and stuff like that, but when I saw these, I was like, I need to get them. And you can purchase several and get like discounts. You can also purchase them in like boxes and in, I guess, combo packs, I call it. But this is literally what you need to get your hands on, especially because you get to change covers with the season and literally with the weather changing and stuff like that. I mean, I just love it so much. I tried it on my phone and I think it just really looks so good. Of course, I'm gonna have a video on the side so you guys can see how it looks on the phone. So the next one I have is a little bit more of a fall color actually, and it also matches my shirt. I love this emerald green, dark green color. It just looks so cute. Has this thank you card inside it as well. Material inside feels really cute, and it's also like I guess dust repellent material, so that once you put your phone in here, you're not going to have all types of dust just sticking onto your phone. This out here, the outside, is silicone, of course. It's pretty sturdy. It's actually not like the really flexible types of covers. It's pretty sturdy, so you don't have to worry about your phone case not protecting your phone pretty much, because this will do just that. Color wise, this goes with pretty much anything. As you can see, it matches my shirt. Emerald green always looks so good. I think that color just goes with pretty much any season, whether you're in fall, winter, summer, spring. Like, don't have to worry about it. This color is it. Needed to have a cover that's black, just in case. You know, my phone is actually in a darker color anyway, so I think it does make sense to also have like a black cover. But again, it has the same material inside here. It also has the design here as well. I do want to mention that same sturdiness, just like all the other ones. It's not bendable and overly flexible, but I really like this cover. And like I said, they're easy to put on and they're also very easy to take off as well. Last but not least is this one. Oh, this looks so gorgeous. Look at this. So this one actually, I think this is like my favorite one. The color is really nice. I don't really know the exact shade of this blue, but this is a blue I tend to gravitate a little bit more towards. This shade and the baby blue shades, perfect for the season we're about to enter, our spring seasons and our summer seasons. This looks so good, and it just looks even better with the phone case on the phone. So make sure you check out all of these covers. I will link them down in the description box below. And if you have any comments or you want to let me know which one's your favorite, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow me on my Instagram. Bye, y'all.